Can Pomeranians be left alone at night? When it comes to owning a dog, one of the biggest concerns for pet owners is whether or not their furry friend can be left alone at night. This is especially true for small breeds such as Pomeranians. These small and fluffy dogs are known for their loving and affectionate nature, but can they handle being left alone for long periods of time, particularly during the night? In this article, we will explore the temperament and needs of Pomeranians to determine if they can be left alone at night without any issues. Firstly, it is important to understand that every dog is different and has their own unique personality. However, certain generalizations can be made about the behavior of Pomeranians. These dogs are known to be independent and self-reliant, which can potentially make them more suitable for being left alone at night compared to other breeds that are more prone to separation anxiety. Pomeranians are also considered to be fairly low-energy dogs, which means that they don't require as much physical activity as some other breeds. This can be an advantage when it comes to leaving them alone at night, as they are less likely to become restless or destructive when left alone. Another factor to consider is the age of the Pomeranian. Puppies, in general, require more attention and care compared to adult dogs. They have a higher tendency to become anxious and may not handle being alone at night as well as adult Pomeranians. If you have a young Pomeranian, it is advisable to have a gradual introduction to being alone at night to allow them to become accustomed to it. The duration of time that a Pomeranian can be left alone at night also depends on the individual dog and their level of training. Pomeranians are intelligent and responsive, which means that with proper training, they can learn to be comfortable and content when left alone for a few hours. However, it is important to remember that these dogs are social animals and need human interaction and companionship. They thrive on attention and can easily become bored or lonely if left alone for extended periods of time. To ensure that your Pomeranian remains calm and content when left alone at night, there are a few steps you can take. Firstly, provide them with a comfortable and safe space to sleep. This can be a cozy dog bed or a crate that they are familiar with. Make sure to include some of their favorite toys or treats to keep them occupied and entertained. Establishing a daily routine for your Pomeranian can also help to minimize any anxiety they may feel when left alone at night. Regular exercise and mental stimulation during the day can tire them out, making them more likely to sleep through the night without any issues. In conclusion, while Pomeranians can generally handle being left alone at night, it is important to assess the individual dog's temperament, age, and level of training. These factors will determine how long they can be left alone without experiencing any distress. Pomeranians are independent and self-reliant dogs, but they still require human interaction and companionship to thrive. By providing them with a comfortable space, toys, and a routine, you can ensure that your Pomeranian remains content and calm when left alone at night.